Fill in the missing letters and color them. R-O-S-E rose. L-O-T-U-S lotus. L-I-L-Y lily. T-U-L-I-P tulip. D-A-I-S-Y daisy. P-A-N-S-Y pansy.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.